Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best beach buggy is probably one of the most exciting and fun ways to experience the beach. Whether you're a seasoned off-roader or a first-time beach adventurer, this buggy promises an unforgettable ride. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes this buggy stand out, exploring its features, performance, and overall value. Get ready to discover why this is the ultimate beach companion. Number 5. Max Sports Collapsible Folding Wagon, BEAU. This wagon sets up in seconds, with no assembly required. The outside dimensions are approximately 35 by 20 by 23 inches, and the inside dimensions are about 32.5 by 17.5 by 10.5 inches. When folded, it's only 8 inches thick. The folded size is approximately 29.5 by 20 by 8 inches, and it comes with a convenient carry case. It weighs only 24.5 pounds, making it easy to store and transport. The heavy-duty frame can handle loads up to 150 pounds. The durable 600D fabric is also easily cleaned, so you don't have to worry about messes. It features an adjustable handle for easy transport and 2 mesh cup holders to keep your drink secure. This makes it perfect for any outdoor adventure. It's perfect for hauling gear to outdoor events, concerts, or trips to the park. You can also use it around the house. Please note that it is not made to transport children. The handle length is approximately 30.5 inches. Use it to transport equipment for outdoor activities or as a shopping cart at places like farmers markets. The durable 600 denier polyester fabric is easily cleaned after use, making it a versatile choice. What we like. This wagon offers a large capacity and sets up in seconds, perfect for hauling gear. It folds down to a compact size with a carry case, making storage a breeze. If you're looking for a versatile wagon for outdoor events or around the house, this is a great choice. What people say. It's sturdy, lightweight, and the wheels roll very smoothly, even when it's fully loaded. The wheels really make a difference in maneuvering around corners or through doors. Easily fold up and is transportable. I keep mine behind the driver's seat so it is always available. Unlimited uses. Number 4. BEAU Beach Wonder Wheeler Deluxe Cart. This is the BEAU Beach Wonder Wheeler, a versatile cart designed for all your beach and outdoor needs. It's perfect for carrying everything you need for a fun day out. The cart is foldable, making it easy to store when not in use. It's designed to be compact and convenient, fitting easily in your car or storage space. It can hold a cooler and up to 4 beach chairs. This utility cart is designed to make your trips to the beach or lakefront easier. Equipped with large rubber tread wheels, it effortlessly moves across sand, grass, and dirt. You can easily pull it through uneven terrain. It features a large mesh storage pouch for towels and toys, and an insulated beverage compartment. Plus, it includes a removable tote bag for your personal items. This heavy-duty cart can hold up to 100 pounds. It's built to last, ensuring you can enjoy many beach days to come. What we like. This cart is specifically designed for beach trips, holding a cooler and chairs with ease. Its rubber tread wheels make navigating sand a breeze. If you like to keep your personal items separate, the removable tote is perfect for you. What people say. This cart is by no means a heavy-duty piece of equipment, but it is adequate to carry a lot of stuff to and from the beach. Folds for easy transport, has a detachable bag, another large mess bag for smaller items, and is designed to hang chairs on the front. Even includes an umbrella holder on the side. Number 3. BEAU Beach Wonder Wheeler Deluxe Cart, Navy. This versatile cart is perfect for any outdoor adventure. It can hold a cooler and multiple beach chairs, making it ideal for a day at the beach or lake. The cart features 10 rubber tread wheels, allowing you to easily navigate through sand, grass, and dirt. This makes it easy to transport your gear. This heavy-duty cart can handle a lot. It has a large storage capacity, so you can bring everything you need. It includes a mesh storage pouch for towels and toys, and an insulated beverage compartment. This keeps your drinks and snacks cold. The cart also comes with a removable tote bag with a shoulder strap. This allows you to take your personal items with you. What we like. This cart is specifically designed for beach trips, holding a cooler and chairs with ease. Its rubber tread wheels make navigating sand a breeze. If you like to keep your personal items separate, the removable tote is perfect for you. What people say. This cart is by no means a heavy-duty piece of equipment, but it is adequate to carry a lot of stuff to and from the beach. Folds for easy transport, has a detachable bag, another large mess bag for smaller items, and is designed to hang chairs on the front. Even includes an umbrella holder on the side. Number 2. BEAU JARDIN Folding Beach Wagon. This wagon features dual handles, giving you the flexibility to push or pull. The front handle is adjustable, and the back handle is height adjustable for your comfort. This wagon is perfect for any adventure. Whether you're going to the beach, camping, or just running errands, it can handle it all. It can even carry your pets. Built with a heavy-duty carbon steel frame, this wagon can support up to 500 pounds. The 600D Oxford fabric is tear-resistant, and the frame is rust-proof for easy cleaning. Equipped with large all-terrain wheels and dual 360 degrees rotating front wheels, this wagon glides smoothly on any surface. The front brakes ensure safety, and the double bearings make it easy to maneuver. With a large interior, this wagon can carry all your essentials. It also includes 2 mesh cup holders to keep your drinks secure. No assembly is required. This wagon folds up compactly for easy storage in your closet or car trunk. It's ready to go right out of the box. What we like. This wagon features dual push and pull handles for flexible use. The all-terrain wheels and heavy-duty construction make it suitable for various terrains and loads. If you need a versatile wagon for camping, sports, or gardening, this is the one for you. What people say. Roomy storage capacity, very easy to maneuver, easy to open up and close, folds to a good size for transport. The wheels rolled easily along the sand and it folded up in the trunk for easy storage. I specifically bought this for the push handle and compact folding features. Number 1. Overmont Collapsible Wagon Cart with Wheels. This wagon has a large capacity and can support up to 330 pounds. It also features a specialized side pocket for long items, so you can carry everything you need in one trip. Get ready for hassle-free adventures with all your essentials in tow. Unlike most carts, this one features 4 wide all-terrain wheels with dual bearings for superior stability and maneuverability. Whether on sand, rocks, grass, or mud, these wide wheels make transport smoother and easier. It's perfect for any outdoor adventure. Crafted from rugged Q195 carbon steel and durable Oxford fabric, this foldable wagon handles the toughest tasks. The front wheels have brake and swivel functions to ensure smooth control on any terrain. You can experience superior quality and durability with every use. This wagon folds down in seconds to just 1.4 cubic feet, saving you precious storage space. It easily fits into your car trunk, garage, or closet without clutter. It's perfect for tight spaces and easy transport. Unlike most carts, this one features a one-click removable fabric for effortless cleaning. Even after muddy or rainy outings, simply detach and wash the fabric to keep it looking brand new. You can enjoy a clean and fresh wagon every time. What we like. This wagon boasts a large capacity and can handle a lot of gear. The all-terrain wheels ensure smooth transport on any surface. If you want a wagon that's easy to clean and maintain, it's a great option. What people say. The wheels are rugged and do not seize up even when pulling through sand. It also folds down into a compact size. The wheels are another highlight, they're big, rugged, and handle different terrains well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.